This phone has an RGB light strip that mimics a campfire. No, seriously. Let's get into the Sharp Aquos R11. Premium curved aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and the back. This already feels different. And this asymmetric camera module is unlike anything else in the flagship space right now. Its unique design and precision lenses set a new standard for smartphone photography. This is a total game changer. That RGB strip isn't just a notification light. It can simulate a flickering campfire glow for ambient relaxation. Up front, a compact 6.5-inch Pro IGZO OLED display, Full HD Plus resolution. It runs an adaptive 1 to 240 Hz refresh rate, so scrolling and gaming feel incredibly smooth. Peak brightness hits 3600 nits. That's genuinely flagship tier outdoor visibility. And again, that screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset paired with 12 gigs of RAM. Sharp also redesigned the cooling system with a larger vapor chamber for sustained performance. This allows the phone to handle intense tasks without overheating, delivering top-tier consistent performance. It ships on Android 16, with 3 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates promised. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where Sharp really leaned in. All 3 rear lenses are Leica-tuned. And look at this main lens, it's the star of the show. The detail is just incredible. The main camera is a 50.3 megapixel shooter with OIS for steady, sharp shots. The ultra-wide is also 50.3 megapixels with face detection autofocus and a 122-degree field of view. Then there's a roughly 38.5 megapixel telephoto lens, offering about 2.9x true optical zoom with OIS. This lets you capture incredible detail from a distance, all with professional stabilization. A dedicated 14-channel multi-spectral sensor helps nail color accuracy and white balance. It captures to the full spectrum of light, delivering true-to-life colors and perfect white balance every time. Up front, a 50.3 megapixel autofocus selfie camera sits in a center punch hole. Battery comes in at a moderate 5100 mAh with USB-C fast charging support. Watch the battery icon fill up, and with USB-C, fast charging is just a plug away. Durability is no joke either. IP65, IP68, and IP69 ratings, plus military-grade A10G and A10H compliance. You're also getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and NFC for fast, modern connectivity. Stereo speakers come tuned with Dolby Atmos for a richer audio experience. Immersive sound tuned to perfection, delivering crystal clear audio. Experience the power of Dolby Atmos on your smartphone. Security includes facial recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And there's Leica support too, perfect for Japanese transit and payment systems. The Aquos R11 comes in 3 colorways, ivory, navy, and terracotta. Each one has a premium matte finish and a stunning camera array. Stylish, powerful, and ready for anything. Pricing starts around 163,900 yen, which works out to roughly 2020 to 1030 US dollars. Heads up though, this one's launching in Japan first, with no confirmed global release yet. If you're outside Japan, you'd likely need to import it through a third-party retailer. So that's the Sharp Aquos R11, a flagship that genuinely does something different. Let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe for more flagship breakdowns. See you in the next one!